All right, today we're pounding a aluminum fence. We got a hole here that's too close to the gas lines. Everybody asks us, what do you do when you're too close to the gas line? You gotta do it a rock. What do? We pull the diggers out and we hand dig it. Today we're going to try dry packing this. Normally we'd wet set this, put it in, but I'm gonna give her a whirl here. I actually think that we dump the concrete in here. We're gonna pack this real tight, and then we're actually gonna pound our post into it. So we're gonna test that and see how that works. All right, AJ is gonna be compacting it. Make that nice and tight in there. Good to have a young stud wrestler to do all the hard work. Now, I'm not suggesting that you do this for every hole because I think this is more work than you need to do. I think pounding it like we do with the collars and the donut, the jig that we use to make sure everything is spaced right is the most efficient way, but you got times where you just can't do that. All right, let's throw some more concrete in there. Okay, we want to fill our hole up with concrete. I don't want the concrete to show on the top, so we're going to keep it down 3 to 4 inches. Okay, that's probably good. Good. Okay, compact. Give us some compaction here. All right, so we got the hole filled with concrete, compacted. AJ's going to pound it in now. All right, it's in. Take it off, take the driver off. Okay. Nice. Let's wiggle that, AJ. Fairly tight. Let's take the bar and pound around it again, tamp it some more. Feel like that it could be a little tighter, but it's really not bad. I know this is going to work because I know that concrete has Portland in it. Any moisture in the ground is going to be absorbed in there. So this is going to get hard like normal concrete does because it's going to absorb the water in the ground. Hit that hard as you can, AJ. So I'm not worried about it, but I did want to try this. You know, it was an easy way to dump the concrete in there. We can still use our jig with it if we need to, and whatnot. So I don't think it's a terrible way to do it. Again, I certainly wouldn't want to do it for every hole here because it's so much faster pounding it is the other way. So this is our trial test with dry packing.